Hello, hello, hello. My name is Shinu Paz, and welcome to Choo Charles. My audio didn't pick up at the beginning of the video, so I'm gonna shut up so we can get right into this. Alright, bye.
Ah, shucks, it's locked.
Of course it's locked.
Not to worry, we can still find a way in.
Oh, can we? We're gonna break in?
There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside.
Alright. What are you getting at?
Take this map, I just marked the location on it. See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
Why don't you go see if the key's up there? Why are you sending me, asshole? Yeah, alright. Oh my lord. I'm going the wrong way, okay. There's a big map. Okay. I can zoom in. E. Okay. Shit. No. Hello? Anybody home? Housekeeping? No? No one home? Okay. I'll just take this then. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay. Train station key. Good to know.
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
Alright. It's a yellow train.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. She's an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to inspect the train's exterior. Why don't you take a peek inside? See what we got to work with.
I mean, alright. You're gonna walk around like, oh shit, look at that Charles. What? Is that a gun? Whole ass LMG. Alright. Use it to quickly navigate the island, weapon and shield against your foe, respawn point if things go wrong. Alright. Oh, wow. Okay, there's the yellow bar, the green bar, and the red bar. With these... right. It's a lot to keep track of. What's this? Level ups, I'm assuming. Great. How do I get here? Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Oh, shit, hi.
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact. That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use. We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming. Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
I mean, I fucking guess. Let's get going, bud.
Yeah, baby! We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear that? It's him! It's him! Get to the gun! Light him up! Light him up!
Yeah! Take some, bitch! What's up?
Taking enough damage! Get some...
Bioman! no. Oh no, why am I stopped? Why am I stopped? Go, bitch! Alright, let's see. My map. So, no, okay, what was it? I wanna go there. Alright, it's weird. I like this. It's cool. Signs indicate rail switching. Chugga 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 choo choo. Choo choo. Hi.
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about. We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament with Charles and that madman Warren.
Yeah, I don't know what it's about, but I'm here to kill something.
You know, that old train of yours will need some major upgrades if you want to take down Charles.
That's my goal. I'm gonna fuck that train up.
There are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve it.
No shit, thanks, man.
Here's the key to the barn. It's just up the path, but I'll mark it on your map anyway.
Well, won't you take that as a fine? How do you do? Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, the path. I guess we go there now. On the way again. Going places we've never been. I can't wait to get on the rails again. Hello? Oh, la la la. Oh. Crap, nice, I'll take that. And that. And that over here. Yep, thank you. Thank you. It's up here. Hello, hello. There you are. Yep, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that too. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. What's this? Even though Eugene has promised to send us help once he reaches the mainland, I've just realized he never mentioned if he'd return. I suppose if he is the type of person to ignore the fine details of a plan, everyone on the island is trying to find a way out of this mess, and I can only hope that this archivist friend of his can work some magic. I don't care what strange things they have done before, or what practices they have used. As long as Charles ends up dead, most folks around here want the same. But then there are those crazies who want to leave him be. That Don Warren has lost his marbles. Alright, so what I'm seeing here is the town's gone crazy. Or island. It's gone crazy. Ow! Alright, anyway. On the way again. I'm gonna get out of here before Charles shows back and fucks my shit. Away we go. Alright. 8 scraps. Heal train. Speed. Damage. Repair. There we go. Go faster. Faster. Me. Come on, Charles. I'm right here, motherfucker. And off we go again. Break my legs. Break them again. Oh, fuck. Ow! Hello? Why are you running? Why are we running? Ow! Yup. I kind of saw that coming. God damn it. He fucked my shit. Alright. Excuse me. Let's see. Unloading all the supplies has been an incredibly eye-opening experience. Here at the port, we've been working all day, every day. We are tasked with unloading the boat and running the supplies up the hill to the tracks, where Theodore and Eddie deliver them to the different sites. We'll be mining. The sheer cost of all this infrastructure is mind-blowing. With all the success Warren's family had in the business, I'm surprised he chose to take up such a risk here. Alright. Good God, before you show back up. What's that? See if I didn't get that paint again. Ow. Ow! I've been praying someone from the excavation group would just send back another boat. But I guess they all think that George's supply boat is still evacuating people. They're all safe and cozy on the mainland, but feel no obligation to make sure everyone else escapes. Make sure everyone else escapes. I know that Charles sinking the boat isn't something anyone would expect, but still, I think I would have left this place by now. Makes me sick. Okay. Yeah, fuck me. Sorry. Alright, my scrap. So here, oh, scrap right there. Hi.
My goodness, the others actually convinced someone to come help us. I'm so glad you came, but I simply cannot stay any longer. This island is too much for my nerves to handle. I've brought all my belongings here so I can leave immediately when a boat arrives. Although now that I think about it, I did forget my journal at home. Could you bring it to me? It's a dangerous journey for sure, but you might manage with that train of yours. I'll give you all the scrap metal I have. Just please, bring the journal next time you're here.
Alright, I'll take a look around for you, man. Scrap there. Scrap here. Yeah, I'm drowning in scrap. Alright, so he wants me to go there. Okay. Okay. Go here and then I'll move up a little ways, go there.
Say, you're that monster hunter.
Yeah, what's up?
I must know, do you have any experience with ghosts?
Not very much. I don't do well with ghosts.
Someone or something has been pinning exactly 16 drawings to lampposts in the boulder field every night. I always collect and burn them, but as I was looking for them last night, I began hearing strange noises and seeing strange things. I only found half of them yesterday because of the commotion. Could you go find the last date and bring them to me?
Oh, Lord. Fine, don't let me in then. For the past 7 days, there has been some strange happenings in the nearby boulder field. A week ago, I went over there to clear my mind, as I often do. I found a strange drawing pinned to the lamppost, took down the page and burned it, because it seemed like the best way to deal with the paranormal paper. The next night, I found even more drawings burned in them as well. I found exactly 16 drawings, multiple nights in a row, and now they're accompanied by horrific ghastly noises. I don't feel safe going out there again. I don't feel safe going out there again. My best guess is the place is haunted, maybe by our last crew members, maybe by something else. Ooh, little paranormal story, alright. Nope, don't trust it. What's that over there? Alright. There's some over there too, I think. Let's look at this guy's diary first. Scrap, hell yeah. Give me the scrap. Oh my lord, there's so much scrap. Alright. Before I go back out there and run at Charles, there's two red and blue ones over there. Curious what those are. Where did she want me? She wants to go over here, so I gotta wait to come back all the way back around. I gotta turn the thing into, so let's go this way and keep going till here. I'm going to there. No, there. No, there. Okay. Gotta make sure I go right at the next intersection. Let's go. Choo, go fuck yourself, bitch. No, 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 no. Ah! Oh, fuck. Go forward. He's gonna keep breaking. The fuck out of here! Nope. Alright, I have no scraps to repair this, huh? Fuck. Okay, where am I? Let's go see what's over here, maybe. Perfect. Alright, tool will get me going, but it's not enough to keep me going. 3, 4, alright, we're getting better. This place is cool, though. It's a cool game. I like it. It's neat. I mean, the fuck was that? Ew. Okay, then. I can't get up. Okay. Anything over here, like a journal or anything? No? Okay. Back out we go. Yeah, no, this is neat. Reminds me a lot of, further I am. Never mind. Let's get back to the train. Just go get repaired and get the fuck out of here. I want to go to you. No. Oh Lord, it stops at you. Thank God. Oh my God. Also, note to self, it stops without you. Oh, these are crates? I had no idea. I'm gonna have to go back for that other one. What the hell? Hello? Ah! Oh, fuck! No! Fuck you, I'm looting your camp. Go fuck yourself. Ow, my asshole! Oh. Yup, ow. I stopped and got shot in the fucking face. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I was never even here. I'm sorry. Fuck. Oh, shit. Bye. Fuck. Prick. Arcadium? Or Aranium? Weird. Hello? The fuck is that? So annoying! Alright, continue over here. What's over here? Nothing? Alright, what's this? Scrap? Hell yeah. I want some lore expedition. Come on, give me some exposition. Drop some shit on me. I want to read. No, that's not the expedition I want! I want lore! Oh, there we go. Stakeout summary, day 3, location 4. I've been staking out this area for days. Charles has never crossed the old wood bridge. Somehow the beast is cunning enough to know it's dangerous, but if he's angry and desperate, he might just chase someone across it. Then bam! We use John's bombs to blow the whole thing up, and Charles falls face first into the canyon. If the blast doesn't kill him, surely the fall will. So, where is this canyon he's talking about? Seeing any canyon? Maybe he's talking about what I just came across right there, yeah. Right there. So I gotta lure Charles to this area. Okay. What's out here? Oh my god, hi! Oh shit. Hold on. Alright, what's up?
You're the archivist my father told me about.
Yeah?
Although, I'm disappointed to see that he chose to stay on the mainland rather than return with you.
Yeah, he didn't like you guys. He said, like, you guys suck, and that Charles just... He egged him on, really. Charles told him, like, dude, there's a whole better life out there. Just leave them. I'll eat them. You don't have to worry about them. Child support, none of it. Yeah, it's crazy.
Not to say that your help isn't appreciated, but we could have used his aid as well.
Yeah, well, like I said, he didn't want to come back. I mean, no. Charles told him he didn't come back. Charles told him not to come back. Continue.
If you haven't already heard from the others, the mine boss Warren is protecting dangerous monster eggs that could lead to catastrophe.
Ooh, catastrophe. I mean, I like catastrophe. I mean, there was some guy shooting me with a gun back there, like, fucking asshole. But, like, I like catastrophe and monsters.
While our main plan is to summon Charles into a duel and fight him to the death, we've devised a perfect trap as a precaution that may help defeat him.
I'm assuming it's that canyon idea, yeah? I was reading about that.
Go attach these remote explosives to each of the support
Yeah.
pillars under the wood bridge out there.
Alright.
Then meet me back here.
Alright. I can do that. Don't know how well this is gonna go for me, but I can do that. I'm gonna upgrade my car too. Oh shit. Let's up my damage a little bit and then dump the rest into. Alright. Back to full health. Back to full health and reverse. No. There we go. 8 of them? Oh, fuck. No! I want to apologize. Fuck. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Where am I? Oh, not too bad. Shit, I fucking full sent my ass off that bridge. Fuck! Oh shit!
That's the tallest and weakest bridge on the island. So if
Okay.
Charles ever crosses it, we can blow him sky high.
Nice.
I'll be on standby to detonate the charges, but it's still up to you to summon and fight. Here, take this. Once you think you're prepared enough, you can break in and fight the battle of a...
Alright. Yeah, fuck it. So yeah, I definitely want to get all these level 5 at least. Before I try fighting Charles. No, 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 no. Yeah, right there. Stop. Shit. A weapon mission? Where you at? Oh, Lord, if Charles pulls up on me, I'm not going to be able to catch it. Get away from him. Alright, we got this. Oh, shit, this place is fortified. What's up? What's up? What's up?
So, the fabled hunter has finally arrived.
Damn right. What you need, girl?
You know, my late husband built a gun to help fight Charles, but Warren's goons stole the barrels and took 'em up to their camp.
Yeah, fuck them barrels. Or fuck them warrants. I don't know. Fuck one of them.
Bob was such a brave man. Much braver than you, I bet.
That's fucked up. You ain't gotta be rude like that.
If you take what I have left of the gun and steal back those other parts, you can put it back together to use against Charles.
Alright, I'll do that.
Just do me one favor, will ya?
Fine, what you need, girl?
If you do end up using it, name it Bob in memory of my honey.
Oh, I will have utmost pleasure screaming, Bob, go get him, to fucking Charles. Utmost pleasure. Find out how to go put this. Oh! Oh! What's that? Oh, just trajectory. Okay. I can't close doors. Okay. To Mr. Reverend, today's sermon was a true inspiration during these trying times. Very well thought out, though thorough in every manner. I believe I speak for the whole congregation when I say that we admire your confidence, steadfast wisdom as we grieve our loss of our brothers and sisters. I mean, like, he talks good and all, but, like, your brother and sister are still fucking dead. Like, I don't know what you entirely expect out of it. But I guess. I'll read that in a second. Oh, black. Another black paint? Alright. Sermon outline. God is very, very mad. I think. Probably. Charles may be the devil. 96% certain. Always sneaky. Spider versus snake. Spiders have more legs, usually. God always wins, hopefully. Sacrifice. Ask for the volunteers. Don't cry. Don't cry a lot. Only a little. Closing prayer. Clean up. Well, damn. Alright. Look at these paintings before I take off. That's gray. I'll see the black one. It's just a black tar spell paint on that. That's cool. Funny. Oh, it's like cool. Oh, there's a cabin right there. Ooh, wait. I like that one. Alright. Let's go open this up. I want this. Oh, shit! What's up?
Archivist, in all your radiant glory.
Yo, what's
Paul
up?
entrusted me with a key to one of the mines containing an egg. But before I give it to you, I have to warn you about something.
Yeah, what's up? What you need?
There's an ancient shrine on the island, a pyramid of sorts, with a curious prism located at the top.
Uh-huh.
The prism seems to have been designed for one purpose, to destroy monster eggs.
Ooh, alright. Well, I mean, if you want me to break some monster eggs, I'll break some eggs. Can't make an omelet without cracking some eggs, you know?
3 slots are carved into the prism, which perfectly fit the eggs.
Alright.
When fully loaded, a massive beam of energy is emitted, seemingly drawn from the eggs themselves.
Huh. It's like summoning the Ender Dragon?
The mutineers hope this event will lure Charles to a mortal fight as he comes in defense of the eggs.
Alright. So I'm fighting the Ender Dragon is what I'm hearing.
Now for the real warning. Charles has the ability to absorb energy from the burst, strengthening and enraging him. We saw it once before, and he may become even more dangerous this time.
Alright, so basically I don't want to do this until I know I can, like, every time he pulls up on me, I fuck his ass up.
However, it's not my place to oppose, despite the danger. So, here's the mine key.
Okay.
Once you have retrieved all the eggs and the key to the shrine, we might just be able to end this hell.
Okay. Can't even go in there. Crap. What's it say? Oh, at last night's meeting, Greg told us a crazy conspiracy about Warrens trying to use the spider trains for world domination as part of the crew that worked in the temples. As far as I'm convinced, while the prism was extracting the light, as far as I'm convinced, while the prism was extracting the life energy from a batch of eggs, Charles attacked us for the first time. Not only did he fight like hell while the eggs were being destroyed, but he nearly doubled in size as he fought, as if he were consuming the energy. His legs grew larger and stronger, while his face grew more distorted, right before our eyes. Those of us who survived couldn't even fathom what we were witnessing. And when Warren had hid the eggs and ordered us to protect them, that was when he began evacuating people, and when everything turned for the worst. I know Warren has plenty of skeletons in his closet, but I can't help but thinking he just might actually be looking out for us this time. Huh. Warren, good guy. Gotcha. Where's my train? There it is. Alright, though. Let me get back to the train. I think I'm gonna leave it there for this time. Let's see, what time is it? What time is it? Where are we going? We need to go back here. So, bitch, stop. The mob is protecting an egg, doing strange work near the collapsed mine. So I might mob infiltration. This mob stole a piece of the new weapon or retrieve the parts quickly done. Alright. So I wanna get his attention around this area. So I don't think I'll survive all of this, but if I get him right, like if I get his attention here, it's a done deal. I can get him here, no problem. So our next goal is gonna come down to this area of the map and talk to these guys. Get all this shit going. Let me look at the quest, god damn it! Use Tony's key to open a barn and collect resources. Alright. Yeah, fuck it. We'll go down here. We'll go do this, and then... Yeah, we'll go do this, and then I'll, call it. I like the game. It's cool. It's a really interesting premise. Being on a train. I don't see very many games like that. I remember on TikTok, I was seeing this one game someone was making. It was like this train game, but it went underground, like in these worlds, the volcano and shit. I don't know. I can't remember the name of it. And if it ever got made, if someone would be so fucking willing to like put it in the comments, that'd be cool. Cause that game it looked interesting as hell. Stop! It's the wrong way, ain't it? Fuck. Well, is there any way around? No, it's all the way the fuck around. Yeah, I'd have to go all the way around. Yeah, alright. We'll do that next time. Wait, no. Hold on. Oh. Oh, no. No, we're good. Keep going straight. Oh, we're good. Fucking get back on the train before Charles shows up. Let's go, motherfucker. Still a pretty good distance away from my fucking destination. You wanna go, Charles? Let's go. Come on. Where you at, bitch? Yeah, that's what I thought. There you are. Yeah, I'm right here, motherfucker. Let's go. Come on. Ah, it's overheating. Fuck. Get off me, bitch. Ow. There you go. Yeah. Get some. Yeah, motherfucker. Let's do like more damage shooting his legs. Oh, he doesn't even care if we're indoors. Oh dear. We're in trouble. Yeah, fuck you, Charles. Alright. Huh, I actually survived that encounter. Let's get some health back. Yep, there we go. Alright. I actually didn't think we were gonna get that. Yeah, fuck that guy. Fuck a big train named Charles. Hold on. Take 3, 2. Hello. I can't talk to you. Oh, I've already been to you, I think. Never mind. Shit. Right. Back on the road. Oh, this is where I'm supposed to be. This is where I'm supposed to be. Fuck. Wait, what's this? Am I just dumb? I'm just dumb, aren't I? That's where I started. God damn it. Yeah, this is where I just started. Alright, well, in that case, I'm gonna leave it here. If you enjoyed, leave a like. Come back for some more. Check out my Fallout 4 video if you want. Other than that, yeah. That's, Shiny. Can't even remember my own name. Shinupaz, signing off. Toodles.